Go get it. Try it again. He sees the camera, so he's got to make a face. Go that way, not on the hill here. Go that way. Okay, yes. Okay, smiley face. Now go.
He did that to me today, too.
He's a ham. Okay, now go. Get on the board and go.
When it doesn't turn right, he just kicks it up.
Yeah. And he's dying to do a trick. Okay, ride it, Jake. Practice. Oh, something just flew. Whoop. Whoop. You got to step on the middle.